ready to level up your online security and keep those pesky hackers out. Today, we're diving into how to use the Google Authenticator app, your digital fortress for two-factor authentication, in just a few easy steps. First, head over to your App Store, that's the Google Play Store for Android, or the App Store for iOS, and search for Google Authenticator. Tap Install and give it a moment to download onto your device. Once installed, open the app. You might see a welcome screen or a prompt to get started. Now, to link an account, you will either manually input a setup key or scan a QR code. This can be found in the settings of the account you want to secure. Let's use this QR code as an example. Point your camera at the QR code and watch the magic happen. Bam! The app will instantly generate a 6-digit code that changes every few seconds. This code is your second layer of security. When you log into the website or app, you'll enter your password as usual, and then, when prompted for the two-factor code, simply type in the code displayed in your Google Authenticator app. Remember, the code refreshes quickly, so don't delay. This constantly changing code is what makes it so hard for unauthorized users to access your accounts. And that's it. You've successfully set up Google Authenticator and added an extra layer of protection to your online life. Keep those accounts secure.